Today I will show you 2 ways to install the 8 magnetic points. The first one, put glue on the metal magic ring and fix on the bottom bracket. Then put the plate on the bottom bracket and install the crank. The second one, remove the crank chain wheel and cover on both sides and the center axle. Fix the metal magnetic ring of the booster between the central axle and the frame. Adjust the position of the metal magnetic ring before tightening the central axle. Fix the plate on the center axle and install the crank, chain wheel, and cover.